Hello class, how are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. Okay, as you know that today is 27/5/2020 Wednesday. I have just finished for second chapter of your English main course book and I am here with some dictation words. So it is a surprise test. Okay, so first go get your copy, pencil and rubber and come sit with me. We'll start to do some of the dictation words. Okay, I hope you have bought your copies and you have sat watching this video. Now, like this, how I have written it, dictation. Write this with the dictation on the top with your pencil. D I C T A T I O N. Dictation. Write dictation on the top. Put the date and day. Done, everyone? I hope it is done. Now, put the first number like this. So, now I am going to tell you the first word of your dictation is happy. Again, I am repeating. The word is happy. You may have listened this word several times in your daily life by your mother, by your father, by your friends. I have only taught you in the first session of your class, today's first session of English class, the word happy. So again I am repeating the word. The word is happy. Written? Okay, moving on. Now put the second number. And the second word is sleeping. Okay, this you all do. So it would be clear with you. The second word of the dictation is sleeping. We all sleep at night. Yes, we all sleep at afternoon also. But in afternoon, we take nap. We don't sleep for the long hours. But during night, we sleep. We take a good sleep. So, the second word is sleeping. Sleeping. Clear? Now, moving on to the third word. And the third word is brush. When you wake up at the morning, you get out from your bed, the first thing you do in the morning is brush your teeth. So, the second word is brush. Brushing your teeth keeps the cavities and what? Germs away from our teeth. So, our third word is brush. Now, put fourth number. Okay. This is the most relaxing thing of this time, of the days. These are going this 2 hot days, so this is the most relaxing thing to do is what? Very good. Shower. Now the fourth word is shower. What is the fourth word? Shower. We used to take shower in nowadays, I think so, 3 times a day. Like we brush our teeth 2 times a day. Similarly, we take shower 3 times a day because it is too hot. So our fourth word is shower. Clear? Everyone have written? The fourth word is shower. Coming to fifth word. Fifth word is breakfast. Again I am repeating, the fifth word is breakfast. I have told in the first chapter what is breakfast. Everyone know that, na? What is breakfast? Breakfast is that meal that we have during morning. मॉर्निंग में मम्मा जो यम सा बनाती है, हेल्दी सा, उसे क्या कहते हैं? ब्रेकफास्ट. सो आवर फिफ्थ वर्ड इज ब्रेकफास्ट. Clear? Written, everyone? I hope it is written. Now moving on. Sixth word. Sixth word is dining table. Again I am repeating the word. It is dining table. Now, how many of you know what is dining table? Yes, very good. I have taught you in the first chapter. It was their dining table. There it is a table, or we can say that it is a place, or it is a corner of our house where we all family members sit together and eat. We talk there, we discuss our good things, we discuss our sad things, we get advice there, we get the yummy tasty food of our mother. So it is a best place. So my sixth word of dictation is dining table. Clear? Now moving to the seventh word. Seventh word is tiffins. Seventh word is tiffins. When we go to school, we take our tiffin and go. Yes, because we feel hungry after some time. So we'll take our tiffin and we go. When we go to picnic also, we take tiffin and go. Yes. Or when we travel somewhere, we take some of the snacks or some of the lunch with us, so that we should not take outside food and we can enjoy our home food. So we use our dabba. That dabba is called what? Tiffin. So my seventh word is tiffin. Written? Now moving on to the eighth word. My eighth word is your favorite person of the house. Who is your favorite person of the house? To whom you share everything? Very good. It is your mother. Yes, the favorite person, the wonderful person of our home, our heart, our mother. Mothers are very special to us. Yes, it is, I think so, clear to everyone, because you discuss most of your problem with your mother. Whatever you want, you don't convince your father. Firstly, you go to your mother convince her, then mother convinces to father. And you have seen that mother convinces father and father gets ready to give you that thing. So my 8th word is our special person of the house, mother. Clear? It is listened in your daily life. Every time you call, now and then you call, mama, 1 glass of water, mama, want something to eat, mama, where is my pencil, mama, where is my notebook. Every now and then you call your mother. So my 8th word is mother. Now moving on to the 9th word, and it is wonderful. 9th word, again I am repeating, it is wonderful. Now wonderful is the word we hear in our daily life. Like whenever something happens great to us, whenever our day goes great, awesome, we just say it was a wonderful day. On that wonderful day, I was so happy. My birthday's day was very wonderful. These all things we listen every now and then. Yes. So my 9th word is wonderful. Written. These words are clear to you or not? I hope it is clear. Now the 10th word. Last word of our dictation is, now tell me who is taking your dictation? Your ma'am. And ma'am is what? Very good. So the last word is teachers. The last word is teachers. Teachers are taking lots of effort, doing lots of effort so that your session can be beautiful and wonderful. So our last word of the dictation is teachers. Now I hope you have written 10 words. Again I am repeating the words, just match it down. Clear? First word is happy. First word is happy. Second word is sleeping. What is second word? It is sleeping. Third word is brush. Third word is brush. Fourth word is shower. Fourth word is shower. Fifth word is breakfast. Again I am repeating, it is breakfast. Then dining table is our 6th word of dictation, dining table. 7th word is tiffins. 7th word is tiffins. 8th word is mother. 8th word is mother. 9th word is wonderful. And the last word of the dictation is teachers. Okay, these are 10 words of the dictation. As you see this video and as you complete your this work, just send me the photo as soon as possible. Okay, so I'll see it and just see how many corrections are there, how many of you study. It is a surprise dictation test, so I hope everyone will do it better. You all do the great assignment. I must say that I congratulate you and I appreciate all of you that you all do your assignment very beautifully. Do this dictation also seriously and submit it to me as soon as you see this video. Clear, everyone? Okay. Thank you for listening me.